Well, my old Shop Vac decided to croak on me about a week and a half ago. I need this to vacuum the floors and get rid of all the stuff from chipping up the various pieces of my old tile. So I need a Shop Vac. And since my old one decided to start smoking and seize up, here's my new one. Hey, at least it's got a 3-year warranty, and I got a couple extra bags for it. I hope they're the right size, and I can't wait to start applying all that. But I got to use this first. Anyway, this is Fishing the Philippines, and I'm out. Okay, it's still going. All right. That is my new Shop Vac. I'm going to unbox it because I need to use it today. Anyway, here we go. Instructions and warranty and other stuff. Attachments, tubing. Yeah, looks like I got 3 pieces of tubing. Yep, 3 pieces of tubing. Yes, 3 pieces of tubing. And that's good long cord. And woo! Get out. I know it's supposed to have wheels. Better be inside. Ah, yes, the wheels are inside along with the hose, a little crevice tool, a little floor adapter, my 4 wheels, and cutout, and a arch particle filter. And one bag. You won't give one damn bag with this thing. That just ain't right. But it is the same type as this one, or these two. So, yeah, they want to get you for the price on the bags. Anyway. Yay. So now I get to pretty much just plug and play on these looks of it. But it is all nice and shiny right now. You know that don't last very long, right? Yeah. Plug and play. Push them in, pop them in. And have at it. Look, it's got some sort of a coating on the bottom so the bottom stays nice. I don't understand that, but hey, it is what it is. And then it goes on any which way. Apparently. Okay. This one better, right? Oh, this got one that doesn't let it pop out. It seems a little loose, but hey, who am I to complain? So yeah. Well, I like that more than the other one. I can turn it so that the nozzle comes out in that direction and the say it's a vacuum cleaner. I have no idea how well it works. I haven't even turned it on yet, but I am going to put this on it. I don't know. I guess I'll hold off this. Well, I'm going to put the bag in there first. Fits pretty good. This will all boil out and fill out here as soon as it fires up. And then we get to start collecting all the junk that's accumulated out on my floors. Woohoo! Alright. You can see one thing I liked about my old Shop Vac. Well, oh, I see what they did. They don't have your a rack here on the back of it. They put your rack on top of your wheels. Personally, I think the rack on the back was better. But hey, it is what it is. And well, life goes on. Yep. Okay. Real good suction, even if the hose isn't that long. Wish they'd go ahead and make these things like 8 or 10 feet. You know, they just want to sell you another one, but the nightmare of that insanity is that thing I have the one from my old Shop Vac, and I can possibly use this one as an extension. I'll have to probably duct tape that to it to do it. Better see if I can find, I know I have somewhere the what's called to it. Anyway, that'll be an option. At present, don't need. I'm working in my bathroom, and will be in an area that is way small. honestly, that was probably too big for most of my house. This one, on the other hand, probably will feel good. I might even get to put the crevice thing to work today because I'm getting back behind things and going to be trying to do it. Anyway, this is my new Craftsman Shop Vac, and I'm going to try to use it today. Clean up the bathroom good enough to do the bidet in my bathroom. Because, well, I'm going to the Philippines and I need to have the bidet installed here so I can kind of get used to the idea of no toilet paper in the Philippines. Because they use a tabo bucket to pour behind them and scrub it out. So, yay. Not sure I like this idea, but hey, it is what it is. Fish out. Okay, there's my Shop Vac, new one, and there's the box I just pulled it out of. Yeah, actually works pretty good. Anyway, I gotta go use it in the bathroom and clean up the floor, and yeah, I get to go play with the bidet gun, or the bidet sprayer. Yeah, anyway, fish out.